Hello everyone, I'm finally back from vacation and I'm excited to share a little bit more Revit tips and tricks with you. Today we'll be speaking about how to combine Revit phasing with Revit design options. And it can be challenging and jerky at times, so I will be showing you some great tips here. Stay tuned until the end of this video. We created a terrain and the building facade and this component over here from a point cloud, so it's pretty accurate. And now the next phase is to actually start doing some new construction, demolition, and change, alter, and make some designs here. Let's start with some ideas of the design of doing some windows on this part of the facade. However, before that, I would like to show you that all the buildings are currently in existing created phase. So what I will be doing is now I will go into architecture. I will make sure before that I'm in the new construction and I will add a couple of windows into the project. I will add one single and one double. The question over here is that now it is in the new construction, these windows, that's perfect. And my actual, obviously, this is in Switzerland, so there are different language, bear in mind. So phasing, so it's new construction. But if you come over here and say that I want to make a design option, and if I can go to manage and design options here and click new design set, I will rename it quickly saying facade option. And then I will make one more design option here. You can easily see that if I go into primary mode, I cannot select anything, delete, add windows, and if I try to add more windows here, it will not really work because it's in the main model. The trick we do over here is that we actually do not work with the main model. We try to split the model into further pieces, into the categories. And how do we do that? So let's go back to the main model and let's delete those windows. What I will do is I will actually take this wall and cut this wall. And then what I will do is I will go to design option 1 and then I will paste this wall into the right location. So into the same location basically. And I will do the same thing with the next phase as well. So before doing that, I will just go into the architecture, windows, add a double window here, and add a one single window over here. And then I can easily go to the next phase by going manage, design option 2. I can also do it from the bottom here. And I will quickly paste it on the align the current on the same place. And then I can go on the architecture, add some more windows over here. For example, this time 3 single windows. And then if I want another phase as well, another option, sorry, in that case, I can go the option design options, and from here I can select a new design option by selecting facade option, finish editing, and then click new. And obviously I can call this option 1, option 2, option 3, or any other way I want. And I will close it. I will just go to the option tree, and then I will also paste again to the same place, and then I will do some more window, maybe this time too. Now I can easily go into my 3D, and then I can do some, like design decisions, basically by rotating around it, by taking some perspective views, and so forth. In order to go and change the different options, I can select this, or that. I can easily show this to my client. I can go in the main model. Obviously, main model option is primary is 1, so this is the preferred option by you. But you can easily change the preferred, make it primary of the design 2, and then in that case, obviously, there will be some warnings. You should avoid them in the time being, because if you want to really use design options with the phasing, these warnings will occur because of the connection settings of the walls is all the time changing. But that is not a problem at all because you will be able to easily fix them in the end. However, at this point, it's really important for you to easily select your ideas and input them. You can go to the ground floor and easily do a perspective and get some nice ideas over here as well from the inside. and maybe you can just say, okay, I want to see option 1, how does it look? Option 3, how does it look? And you can make some decisions based on that. If you are interested making a different design options with topography, I will be happy to make another tutorial for you on topography and different design options, how you excavate them, how you get the quantities. So please comment below and let me know that you are interested in such tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because every week we are going to publish at least 3 content for you. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on. See you next time.